Hello friends, welcome to Vibha's videos. Today I'm going to show you a very nice and tangy summer drink. So instead of having your cold drinks, you can serve this. It is a very nutritious drink that my mom used to make. So in memory of my mom, I have made this drink. I hope you all like it very much. If you like this video, please like, comment and share the video with your friends. Want to see more of my videos? Subscribe for them and press the bell icon next to it. So whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Thank you friends.